The scorpion grabbed a hold of me, and, one thing led to another. Here we are eating them.
Whose idea was that again?
I don't know. But he owes me lunch.
The Granite Gates. Bet you never thought I'd get us this far.
No, I didn't. But Proteus did. For some reason, he trusts you.
Well, what could he have been thinking?
How did you two ever meet?
Running for my life, as usual. A couple of angry thugs had cornered me outside the palace walls. I was trapped. A sword at my throat, at my chest, at my... Pickles and eggs!
Buddy, hop, hop, hop!
Well, you get the idea. And then, suddenly, there was a fourth blade. It was Proteus. You see, he'd watched it all from his room in the palace. He actually climbed down the castle wall to fight at my side, and boy, did we fight. It was like we'd rehearsed it.
What does it do?
We were best friends from that day forward.
What happened with you two? What is it?
We took different paths.
I bet he's really frightened now.
Enough talking. Time for some screaming.
None of that matters now. The gods do not decide my fate, Thanatos!
Good boy. You can start.
For crying out loud, what next? Oh, get a shirt on before you poke someone's eye out. Okay, guys, get down there and break it up. We've got to keep moving.
Gratuity Tucci, why for?
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you!
It's better now, feel better now.
I can't believe it! My mom's in Australia!